Well, alrighty then. We worked that around there a little bit. We've broken those up and we've kind of mushed them and rubbed them together to kind of break them up against each other, and the little sands pieces get in the little holes and start working stuff out. And we just want to wash and wash and wash and wash. Get that so everything's separated. So you want to separate it all so that you can better classify it, because if it's lumped together, it's gonna wash. Now, one of the things that I want to tell you about, which is it's pretty darn important, and that is gold itself is dense and heavy. It has an atomic weight, makes it one of the heavier elements. But there are vehicles which it hitches a ride on, and they're not so dense. So a piece of gold is only going to weigh what it weighs as part of a whole. So if you have okay, here, I'll take this. I got this, there's a rock, right? A lot of quartz. It even has some black quartz in it. Anyway, fun little rock. Now, looks like the camera wants to focus on me and not on this, so you just out of luck. And anyway, so this is going to go through the process, go down the stream and things like that. It's fairly light, you know, as far as having its density. Boom, boom, boom. And a piece of gold, well, this is going do down the stream. Piece of gold is going because it's heavy and it's slow, and you know, fat people don't go as fast as this lighter ones. Anyway, so what we do is, well, of course that's all relative to size too. Anyway, what we do is we think about a piece of gold hitching a ride on this. Okay, now so you got the weight of this guy and the mass, and then you got a weight of a little hitchhiker piece of gold. Okay. Now the gold is not going to act like it normally acts, right? Right. Exactly. Okay, so if this moves this fast, and the little piece of gold moves this fast, then together they're going to move that fast. And the crow seems to think so too. So one's going to go fast, one's going to go really slow, but together they go not quite fast as they used to go fast, and not as slow as he was going before. So it's all relative to what it's hitching on, okay, as to where that gold's going to go and how it's going to react. So, you know, you just got to take all these things into consideration. And I mention that because as you pan, where you think all the gold is going down to the bottom, remember it hitching a ride. So I like using clearer water. You know, being in a stream as it's flowing is the best, because then it's always clean and it's nice and you can see what's going on. So as you're working your pan, you can see if something is inching its way to the edge that shouldn't be, and it gives you a chance to stop and take a look at something that might be hitching a ride on. So be mindful of that as you're panning, and also be mindful of that as you're sluicing. You know, don't be too quick to shovel that stuff in there. You want to kind of keep an eye on what's going through. So anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and start working this pan and working it down to our concentrates and see what's in there. You never know.